Hey everyone, this is Andrew from PRA7 Reviews. Today we are looking at the DBPower DC 12 volt in-car air compressor. It's a nice basic unit. It has everything you need. It's much smaller than I expected. Here's the diagram on the back of the box. So it comes with the typical air hose, 12 volt plug, comes with a PSI scale on-off switch. Now here's what I have been using in the past. This one actually has the injection liquid, so it would, I guess, clog holes, but I've never used that. And something that bothers me about this ResQ Pro is when it's on, it's vibrating and jumping all over the place. So you really have to stand and hold the thing the whole time. So I find that kind of annoying. Plus there's two different hoses, one for the sealant, one for without. So, and the size is a little big, but let's go ahead and open up the DBPower unit. Again, this is, here's some of the model details. I'll have that in the info section below, as well as a link to where you can buy this product at a discount. So again, when I ordered this, I was expecting it to be much larger. I have used it, but I wanted to give the unboxing experience. Alright, so here is the front of the unit. So you have the pressure gauge, the on-off switch. Then this side, you have your adapters, so you can inflate basketballs or say pool floats. Oops. And then your power cord. And they give you a nice long power cord. And this is really handy. Then on this side, you have the air hose, which comes out this way. So one of the things, here's the model number, it's the CZ, there you go, CZK3617. One of the cool things about this unit, though, is that when you're using it, it stays down here. So as I was saying, this one kind of bounces around, has really no footing. This one has four little rubber grabs, and it stays on there really nice. I'm not going to actually inflate anything just because that gets so loud. But obviously this will run on any sort of 12 volt car outlet, or if you happen to have a battery pack like this one, you can run it off of that as well. Now one thing I do like about this one, about the ResQ Pro, is you can screw this onto the valve stem, which I found, gives a little bit better seal. It's a little easier to get on. Sometimes these spring-loaded flippers are kind of tricky. So I've got two bikes here. So I'm going to go ahead and inflate the tires on these bikes. But this is, again, a pretty awesome product. The price point is really low. Here's the code on it as well. But I will have a link in the video below, or in the description below. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much.